Everybody takes time. Pastor Sajay is an unusual and uncommon candidate. Nobody in Edo State today that is running for the office of governor is as experienced, as qualified, and as knowledgeable. Full endorsement in Esaland in Edo Central, where I come from. It is settled. It is Pastor Sajay Ezeyamu. We want you in Edo South to do the needful. Ezeyamu will bring back smiles on the faces of Edo people come November 2016. So everybody must come out to vote. You must tell your neighbors to come out to vote, and after voting, you will wait to protect your vote so that the enemies of progress will not be able to truncate this change that has come. The real change is about to begin. It is a high time we took over the reins of leadership in Edo State. PDP is capable and it is able to provide the leadership with the leader of Pastor Sajay Ezeyamu.